Hello students, good morning. I hope you will be fine and safe at your home. Dear student, from today, first of all, we will see our previous lesson. The revision, you can say the revision of the previous lesson. We will start from the previous lesson, that is from chapter 1. So, let's start today's class. You can see here is your first lesson, globes. Yes, student, globes. In this lesson, we will study what is globe, what is the need of globe, what is the benefit of globe, and the main features that is used in globe, and the terms which are used in terms of globe. So let's start today's class. First of all, dear student, globe. Why? Here is the thing that what is globe. Before starting the lesson, we will see about our earth. Dear student, for a long time it was believed that the earth is flat. For a long time it was believed that the earth is flat, but explorer name is Ferdinand Magellan started his journey, and from where he started his journey, after completing his journey, he reached to the same point. In this way, Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is in round shape, you can say earth is in spherical shape. So, as we know, we have 8 planets in our solar system, but earth is the planet on which we are living, and earth is the only planet where their life is possible. Earth is in round shape, and uh, Earth is a planet where life is possible, where we get air and water. So, my dear student, Earth is a big planet. It cannot be seen at one time, and the study of Earth is very difficult. Here, I can ask a question to you: why? What is the need of globe? So, my dear student, the need of the globe is to study the whole earth for our study. There is a need of globe. So let's start the today's class. The globe, a small model of the earth, is called the globe. A small model of the earth is called globe. We cannot draw the whole earth, and we cannot see the whole earth at one time. So there is a need of globe. And what is globe? Globe is a model of earth. Globe is a model of earth. We can draw a model on a paper. We can draw a model on a paper, and by this we can study the globe. What is globe? And second thing is uses of a globe. Dear student, if there is something in our surrounding, there are some uses of the things. So, in this topic, we will study what is the use of globe and how we use the globe. You can say, what is the need of globe? So, the globe is an exact replica of the earth in terms of its shape and surface. The globe is an exact replica of the earth in terms of its shape and surface. Dear student, as we know the earth is in round shape, in the same shape the globe is. So we can say it gives a fair idea of the location and shape of various landform, continents, countries and water bodies. Yes, my dear student, it gives a fair idea of the location and shape. With the help of globe, we can understand, we can study the exact location and shape of various landforms. We have different types of various landform. We have different types of landform. Plains, mountain, valleys, water bodies are there, and with the help of globe we can locate and we are able to know the various landforms, continents, countries and water bodies. So it is the use of globe. In this way we use the globe. And second thing is important reference points on the globe. Important reference point means there are some points that is important, and generally when we are going to use a globe we use that important points. So you can see here is a globe. I make a globe here, and my dear student, first of all we will discuss about the axis. What is axis? The axis is an imaginary line passing through the earth's center on which the earth rotates. Yes student, globe rotates on that point, on that rod, that is called its axis. That is called its axis. So passing through the earth center on which the earth rotates on its axis, on the rod on which earth rotates is called its axis. So you can see here is the axis, and on this point the globe, and you can say the earth rotates. And second thing is it is tilted at an angle of 23 and a half degree. It is, our earth is tilted means bent, झुकी हुई है. Our earth tilted 23 and a half degree. So the rod on which a globe spins represents the earth axis. Yes student, the rod on which the earth rotates, the earth rotates, that is called its axis. So it is about the axis. I hope you will understand. And second thing is the topmost point of the earth is called North Pole. The topmost point of the earth is called North Pole, and the bottom point, you can say the southernmost point, is called South Pole. It is called South Pole. And other term is equator. Yes my dear student, equator. This is it is an imaginary line. Equator is an imaginary line which passes through the mid of the earth and divides the earth into two equal halves. Divides the earth into two equal halves. The upper part, you can say north side part, is called northern hemisphere, and from the below of equator it is called southern hemisphere. It is called above equator it is called northern hemisphere, and below equator it is called southern hemisphere. So it is the important points on the globe. Northernmost point is called North Pole, southernmost point is South Pole. Halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole lies an imaginary line called the equator. Yes, student, it is equator, and equator is an imaginary line. Equator is an imaginary line which divides the earth into two equal halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And here I want to tell you, our India lies in northern hemisphere. Our India lies in northern hemisphere. So I hope you understand all the things. And other thing is, my dear student, it's all about our today's class, but few things that I want to tell you. Dear student, I started from chapter 1. It, it's because of the revision of your previous lesson that I have already explained, but I started from chapter 1 and you have to see from chapter 1. And second thing is, you have to give your attendance. You have to give your attendance in comment box by writing your name, class and section. So by this I will take your attendance daily. So be serious about your attendance and please write your name, class, section in the comment box. So I hope you understand all the things and have a nice day.